All right, Alpha Fitness Coaching clients, welcome to the Alpha Fitness Coaching app tutorial. This is Coach Aaron Anderson. So today we're going to go through the tutorial of the workout app that we utilize, which is called PT Distinction, but we just white label it as Alpha Fitness Coaching. It's an app that works out tremendously for our clients, and we're able to do everything we need to do in it. And it's very easily usable. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that today in this tutorial. So that way you know exactly what to do and how to navigate through your experience as a client with Alpha Fitness Coaching. So without further ado, we'll begin now. So as you can see, we are on the dashboard, and it's really hard to kind of show you, like if I'm doing a screen capture on a PC, I can use a mouse, but with this, you're obviously using a touch screen. So if you look at the bottom dashboard, that's the first tab. It's showing our progress from things that we had. My trainer is at the bottom. You can use a little message bubble. But of course, if you are a client of mine, we usually just chat through text as it is. That may change as this gets bigger, but for right now, we don't use that feature right now. So next is schedule at the very bottom. And for today, it looks like I have a chest and a back workout at 9 a.m. Now, time really doesn't matter, of course. Some people might work out at their time. You might have a workout later. It's not going to disappear on you or anything like that. But we're just going to click on that chest and back workout. And it says we can mark it as complete, or we can view workout. Let's go ahead and view workout. Okay. So then we pops up chest and back for today. Just previewing the workout. It's got 3 circuits, 13 exercises, 6 sections, warm-up, superset, another superset, conditioning, and core. Now at the bottom, that just gives us a preview. That's an outline, so it's not going to tell you like how many reps and so on and so forth. Just kind of the outline of the actual workout. We're going to go ahead and click start at the very bottom, and now we are in our workout. So as you can see, chest and back, my warm-up consists of a Stairmaster and then a little mini circuit here to get some of the muscles loosened up. Stairmaster time, I'm going to go for 20 minutes at 40% intensity. As you can see in the description, if you click on the picture itself, as you can see in the upper right corner, you click on that and it pops up instructions with a video on how to perform the exercise, and that each exercise will have a video or a description. Most of them have videos on how to perform the actual exercise. If for some reason the video does not suffice, you can read the description below and it'll give you an explanation as well. So, and again, proper form is important. Make sure you are paying attention to those videos. They do a great job. So next, we're going to look at clean grip deadlift. Okay, so now we are on our circuit, clean grip deadlift, and we're not supersetting that. That's just a warm up. As you can see, clean grip deadlift, three sets, reps, AMAP, AMAP, which means as many as possible. Time it takes, we're going to do that in 1 minute. So as many reps as possible in 1 minute for 3 sets. So 3 times of that. Tempo, easy. Intensity, 60 seconds. So I'm going to put about 60% effort into this. Just kind of a nice, easy, medium pace. And then rest as needed. And let's see how we do that exercise. I'm going to click on the picture again in the top right. And it tells me standing with your toes under the bar. And they do a great job at showing how to perform the exercise. Boom, just like that. So, and as you can see when we look at the tempo, he is going up 3 seconds and he's going down 3 seconds. Now, I'm not saying you have to do it that way in this exercise. I did not instruct that on this particular, just says easy tempo. So that's all they have to do. So I'm going to superset that with a clean, and that's for my warm up. Now, moving into the workout part of this, it's 5-set superset. So I'm going to superset pull-ups and dumbbell incline chest press together. What superset means is I'm actually going to be doing both these exercises at the same time. So I will jump from one to the other as I'm resting the other muscle group. So I will do, for pull-ups, I'll do 5 sets, reps to failure. So my first set, I'll do as many pull-ups as I can. Intensity 60%, rest as needed. And then from there, I will not rest. I'll go directly to the incline dumbbell chest press, another set. And my first set, as you can see, it says reps 12, 10, 8, 6, 1. My first set is 12 reps. My second set is 10 reps, and so on and so forth. If you ever see F, F stands for failure, which means as many reps as you can do for that set to failure. So basically to exhaustion. Exhaustion. I cannot talk today. I apologize. Tempo, down 3 seconds, up 1 second. So he explains it really well in this, and he shows it. Up 1 second, down 1, 2, 3, up 1 second, down 1, 2, 3 seconds, as you can see. So that's tempo, and so on and so forth. So that's my workout for today. Now you can look at the week view up at the top next to day. Week view, it shows all my workouts. And oh, it looks like for Friday tomorrow, I also have a form I need to fill out. So tomorrow, if we're looking at the schedule, I'm going to go to tomorrow. Let's just say it is tomorrow. I'm going to click on that form, and I'm going to go view completed form. Go into the form itself, and I'm going to fill this information out. So you might have from time to time those things in there, but also, you know, you'll have, especially when you first start, you'll have a few things in there. So my pro, and then, okay, so schedule, we kind of gone through that. Now we'll go to programs. This is just a list of all the programs that I have or have completed with Alpha Fitness Coaching. So you also might have multiple programs going on at once, where you'll have, you know, a workout program, but then you also have maybe like a stretching program. If I notice that that's something you need. You might have like a cardio specific program or a warm-up program. So there's always going to be multiple things, or like a core specific program, just kind of depending on what your goals are. You know, you'll have multiple things in there and multiple things to schedule. So next are your guides. And in mine, I have PDFs. So my trainer has given me a PDF, client success checklist. So if you just click on that, you can open it with anything. So there are things in there that I will give you, such as PDFs, videos, so on and so forth, all kinds of stuff like that. And then finally, my logbook, food diary at the top. Most of my clients are using MyFitnessPal. I just think the interface is a little bit better. We may switch to this fully if I can get a few things worked out with the developers to add. It'd be nice to have everything all under just one app. It'd be great. But I want to have quality, so I want to have everybody doing the best that they can, have the best that we can. And MyFitnessPal just has a better interface for food. Progress photos, you can put your progress pictures in here, but typically I have my clients just text them to me. For right now, that's the main communication method we use until it gets too big, and then I have to run everything through the app. Result tracking, this is really going to be where we keep track of our results, and then, of course, any forms you might have. That was on the schedule. You might have a few forms you have to sign and fill out, especially as a new client. So that is the Alpha Fitness Coaching app, aka PT Distinction. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to y'all soon. Have a great day.